from this training, I have learned quite a lot, like a type of training. I mean, type of leadership and communication skill. So from this training, so I'm aware that what is manager and leaders. So before I thought that both manager and leaders are same, but now from this training, so I found that there's some difference between manager and leaders. And also I have found that I've also learned that there's a different communication style and types of communication. So now I can reflect that what type of leaders I will be. So like whether I will be autocratic or servant or transformative. So these are some of the things that I have learned. So thank you so much for providing this training. Thank you.